Hello everyone, Johnny Hurricane here from GamersHeroes.com, and today we're going to go over where to get the fire resistance gear in The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. This stuff is the only way to really survive in the Goron area without fireproof elixirs, so unless you want to pop those every few seconds, well, a few minutes, not a few seconds, then you're going to want to get this. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is hit the Foothill Stables, which is in Eldin, and it is on the path leading up to Death Mountain. You want to stop here so you can pick up some fireproof elixirs. I would recommend at least 5, just in case things go terribly wrong. You'll probably only need 1 or 2, but they're really cheap, so why not grab a few. Second thing you're going to do here is grab the fireproof lizards that are all around the area. You're going to need 10 of them at least by the time you get up the hill. If you have the stealth gear, you can just walk up to them, jog up to them, and grab them easily. Shoot them if you're having trouble catching them without the stealth gear. I found all of mine around the hot springs, whatever, in the area, just hanging out on rocks. You can find them all along the path. Just go out of your way to get them. Next, you will need to go to this location on the map, which is up the path. That is the Goron mine. You can either go all the way up the path, or you can use the tower and jump off the tower and fly towards that area. Either way, you need the fire resist potions on at this point, or else you're going to burn up. No fire weapons, fire shields, or fire bows either, because those are going to go. Once you're at the mine, talk to the only human in the area, hand over the lizards, and you will get some fire resist armor. Only the chest piece, though. The rest you have to buy in Goron City. Alright, if you liked what you saw and got what you needed, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the follow. All that business. Now you'll be able to survive in the Goron area. You cannot survive in the lava. Don't try that. You still just basically drown in lava. See you guys in the next video. Later.